Good morning, traders. This is a binary options trading recap. I always start by clicking on full screen and increasing the size of the stochastic oscillator. Now I select the currency pairs that pay out the most, 80% or more. That way my break-even win rate stays lower so that my needed win rate isn't so high and I could still remain profitable. So let's take a look at the trades. This was a long video, about 20 minutes. We're not going to watch most of it. I'm just going to scan through it because there was no setups for a very long time. And I was really probably about to shut down the platform because it was almost time to get ready for my market open day trading and with stocks. And so I was just about to shut down, and I finally saw a setup and an entry that met all of my criteria. Here it is. So about 17 minutes, I guess, into looking. So this is, let's see what currency pair this is. The Australian dollar and the Japanese yen. And basically what's happening is I'm noticing a trend with the candlesticks breaking out of the top of the Keltner channel and looking like things are about to reverse, just waiting for the signal on the stochastic oscillator. So let's fast forward a little bit. So now we're zoomed in. And for whatever reason, I've talked about this before, the screen capture software always kind of stutters when I'm recording these binary options trades. It works perfectly fine when I'm trading stocks with Webull, but it is what it is. So you're kind of seeing like snapshots, really, of what I was looking at, even though the video is playing out smoothly. It's just kind of capturing a bit here and there. So let's fast forward a little bit, and you'll see the entry. So I'm about to enter right here. I'm just waiting for the blue line to break over the green line. I don't think that was captured on video. All of a sudden it goes from here to me being in the trade, already a few seconds into the trade, and we've missed the entry signal on video, but the blue line did break down below that green line just by a hair, and that was enough for me to take the entry. And it's a little bit scary because you can see that, okay, it's already started to go down. Our entry is way down here, but that is the strategy. The strategy is to wait for that stochastic oscillator as confirmation because, yes, logically, you'd think, okay, the chances of winning the trade are greater if I can enter up here, but my signal requirement was not met. So I have to wait for all three signals to be aligned and then hope that they actually mean something over time and that we win the trade. So again, it's kind of stuck here at that 119. It doesn't do this live. It's just on the playback from the screen capture. And now all of a sudden it goes from 119 left in the trade to 16 seconds left in the trade. And you can see what happened is the price did come down as all of the indicators suggested, and it stayed down all the way till the end of the trade. And again, unfortunately, the end of the video is still stuck on that 16 seconds, and I can show you live that we did win that trade. So let's take a look at the account live, and I already have it open here. No open trades. Here's our closed trades. This is the trade that we were looking at in the video. So obviously we won that trade, and we won it by quite a lot. It doesn't really matter if you win it by minus 1 point. If you're, obviously if you're forecasting for the price to go lower, you want this to be negative. If it's -1 or -100 or -1,000, doesn't matter. You're going to win the same amount of money for the trade because that's just the way the binary options work. So that's that. Let's take a look at the spreadsheet really quick and we'll wrap this up. So here's the results so far now, just less than a month in. And yesterday we had a 33% win rate day, which is not ideal, obviously, but those kind of things are going to happen. All we can do is keep trading the same plan and hopefully in the long run remain profitable, which we are so far. Today was 100% win rate. That's ideal, but you can see how it takes a few of those to get back one red day. So now let's take a look at the number of trades we've taken so far, 41. The overall win rate, 62.5. P&L, $6.19. Sounds ridiculous, but we're only trading with $1. Tomorrow I'm going to increase that to $1.10 since we've broken back through that $10 level of the account. Every time I breach a $10 level, I'm going to add basically 10% to the, I'm going to add 10 cents to the trading amount, at least for a while here. just to keep things kind of growing with the account, even though it'll be slowly, but at least there'll be some growth as we remain profitable with this. And the percent change on the account, this number is actually pretty impressive considering it's been less than a month and the account has already grown 4%. So that's pretty encouraging. And the break-even win rate is 54%. We're well above that. So far, so good. Again, I trade a very strict binary options trading plan that I wrote myself. If you're interested in that, I will not say that it's proven profitable yet, not until we have reached 100 trades, but it is profitable so far. And if you're interested in downloading that and either trading it yourself or using it as a model to develop your own plan, it is available at patreon.com/tradingarmor. And as always, no matter whether you're trading a plan from my Patreon or you're trading your own plan, you should have a plan. Whether you're trading binary options, stocks, regular options, doesn't matter. You need to have a plan going into every single trade, even if it's a swing trade or an investment. You should have a plan, an entry, an exit, and stop loss on every single trade. Why are you taking the trade? You need to know all those things. And what's the best case scenario? What's the worst case scenario? Are you okay in either scenario? All that kind of stuff needs to be known before you even take the trade. And then you stick to that plan once you're in the trade, no matter what happens. So with binary options, there are no stop losses, but you can have a max loss per day or a max number of trades you take. I only take 3 trades per day no matter what happens. So that helps keep me from major drawdowns in the account. And with stocks, I always use a profit target and a stop loss, and I stick to those. I let those get hit no matter what. Either my stop loss or my profit target gets hit, and that's it. That's the end of the trade. So, as always, stick to the plan no matter what. Always take your stop losses, honor your profit target, and in the long run, you should be green. Take care.